Good afternoon, Vanto in Cape Town. Check our products in mglobalsouthafrica.com, and then also you will find the newsletter there. You can apply for the newsletter. We will update you and guide you in your health plan. Now, let's get something straight. God does not make mistakes with our bodies. He did not just do your body, let's call it manufacture, and then after that he said, oh, I forgot to make sure that this body can be healed. He put everything in the body to ensure that the body can heal itself. Yes, the body is able to heal itself. Now, our duty is only to bring to you products that are creating the environment for the body to heal itself. And one product that has done wonders in that is called C247. Now, this product, it's also an immunizer. It is also an energizer. It is also giving nutrition, but here you have the highest level of antioxidants, and it is the greatest immunizer ever in most of the products that we have today in the world. C247. It is also called anti-cancer because people of cancer, they have seen the greatest improvement. I have seen a lot in my clients on these products, and that includes people with HIV. They have seen the greatest improvement in HIV health with C247. I have seen a lot of those people who are getting, their healing as well as improvement. Like I say, our products don't heal. The body is able to heal itself. That's how God made it. And C247, it's able to do that. One of the reasons that makes it to do that, it's because this product, it is a longevity product. It is giving protection. It is giving, it's an immunizer. This product, it is also an enhancement. And all these things, it is doing them at a cellular level. That's the important thing about it. All these things, it goes to the cell. All the way to the cell. We know that you've got a tissue, you know that you've got an organs, and you also have the cell, which is the smallest part of the body. You have this product. Don't go without this product. At the same time, for our children, we need this one, which is called Kitty 24/7. This product and this product, this is for the old people. This is for our children. As our children are going to school during these days of pandemic, you don't want them to be without this. These are natural gummies, which maybe I will do a special recording for them. But this one is for us old people. This one is for the young people. We need these products in the days of the pandemic. I hope you understand when I say that the body is able to heal itself. Let's invest in our health. That was Vanto. God bless.